Dun, dun, dun. It's the Megs Report. Here I am with this HFE35C omnidirectional high-frequency analyzer. The levels are unusually low for an urban environment. I'm here at a friend's house. And what I want to show you today is the perils of products. Here is a Bluetooth speaker from Bose, the SoundLink Color 2. And as you can see, or hear and see, it is putting out significant radiation at a steady clip. Now, this speaker has been off in the package for about a week, and it is still trying to do something. It is putting out microwave radiation, even though it's not in use, even though it was turned off, even though a week has passed. What is it doing? We'll may never know, but I found probably the best use of a microwave oven is to protect us from wireless radiation devices that we can't turn off. It's a quick fix. The levels just dropped by 20 plus times.